Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 7 of Management and Systems Thinking. I'm Dr. Neil Armstrong, a professor for the class. In week 7, we're going to look at chapters 14, 16, and 17 of the Collier and Evans textbook. We have the PowerPoints here for you guys, so you can definitely take a look at and see kind of the summary of things. We also have an article, which is Business with Beliefs, what makes a company Christian. So this is kind of where we're applying the faith and the values each week. So this week we have a discussion board post, which you have to do. I'll be chiming in with each and every one of you guys as I normally do. As we also have a case analysis assignment, which is due on Sunday by midnight as well. So you want to definitely look at the case from 5:15 to 5:18 of chapter 16 of the Colliers and Evans textbook, and really answer these questions and really try to understand exactly what's going on in there, and really try to look at the different alternatives on there. And that's kind of the assignments for the week. That's the rubric that you see each time, which is great. I like to see the rubrics here so everybody understands exactly kind of what I'm looking for. If you guys have any questions about anything or really want to talk about anything, feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to talking with you in the discussion boards for week 7, and really look forward to spending the second to last week with you guys. So if you guys need anything, let me know. But otherwise, I'll see you in the discussion boards. Thanks, and have a great day.